Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the sine, cosine and tangent, double angle, triple angle and half angle formula. Okay. So now in the previous class we have seen all this formulae. Now again we are going to recall all this formula: sine, cosine and tangent. What is sine 2a? Sine 2a we are having two formula. Okay, for sine 2a we are having two formula. So what is sine 2a? It is 2 sin a cos a, and another formula is 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. And then for sine 3a, it is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now this formula will be applicable for sine cube a also. When we need to find out sine cube a, we can write this as 1 by 4 of sine 3a minus 3 sin a minus sin 3a, 1 by 4 of. We can easily write down this as sin cube a is equal to 1 by 4 of, we are taking this to this side, so taking 1 by 4 here. So 3 sin a minus sin 3a. So whenever we need to apply sin cube a formula, we can take the formula as 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus sin 3a அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். சரியா? அடுத்தது half angle formula. Half angle formulaவும் ரெண்டு formula சைனுக்கு இருக்கு. ஒன்று பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதுல இருந்து half angle. Half angleங்கிறது வந்து angle divided by 2 பண்றது. அப்போ when you are dividing this 2a by 2, we will get theta. Similarly, here angle A should be divided by 2, that is theta by 2, theta by 2. Next, in this formula, half angle. So 2a divided by 2 is a, that is theta. Here a by 2, a by 2, that is 2 tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So if you are thorough with these two angles, you can easily write down the half angle formula. Wherever we need a sin theta alone, sin 2 theta illama sin theta மட்டும் வேணும், ப்ரூஃப்ல வந்து by 2 இருக்கு அப்படினாலே half angle யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சரியா? அடுத்தது cosine. cosine பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார்முலா காஸ்ல வந்து 2a ல 4 ஃபார்முலா இருக்கும். இங்க 2 இருக்கும். இங்க எத்தனை ஃபார்முலா? 1 2 3 and 4 double angle formula for cos 2a. அப்ப cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. அடுத்து cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. அதே இது 1 minus 2 sin square a. So cos வர்றப்ப பிளஸ்ல வந்துரும், sin வரப்ப செகண்ட் டேர்மா வரும், ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. அடுத்தது cos 2a, that is 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. இங்க இருக்க மாதிரியே தான் மேல 2 tan a இருந்துச்சு, இங்க வந்து 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. Next one, cos 3a formula. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So whenever we need to find out cos cube a, similar to this we can find here also 1 by 4 cos 3a plus 3 cos a னு போட்டு நீ இந்த formula எழுதிக்கலாம். அடுத்தது cos theta, that is half angle formula. For the first one, இது angle half ஆகுது, 2a ங்கிறது divided by 2, a by 2, a by 2. That is the formula. For second one also we can use half angle. For third one also we can use the half angle. Okay. So now we are going to see tangent. Tan 2a. 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Here we are having 1 plus tan square a. Here we are having 1 minus 2 tan square a. And tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. And what is tan theta? That is half angle formula. Half angle is 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So these are all the identities you have seen in the previous class about half angle, double angle and triple angle. So you can study like this. cosine, sine and tangent separately, then only it will be easier for you to memorize all the identities. Okay, now let us go with the problems. We have finished with 5 problems in the previous class, so let us continue with uh, let us continue with the problem number 6 now. So problem number 6, exercise 3.5. Problem number 6, if a plus b equal to 45 degree, show that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So this is we are going to prove. Okay, 1 plus tan a plus 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. So what here we are going to apply? It is tan, isn't it? So we are going to take what is given. The given is solution. Given a plus b equal to 45 degree. So taking tan on both sides. So this implies tan of a plus b is equal to tan 45. What is tan 45? It is 1. And what is the formula for tan of a plus b? In the previous exercise we have seen, isn't it? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to 1. So this can be rewritten as cross multiplying this, tan a plus tan b is equal to, when you are cross multiplying this, it is 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, let us take this. Tan a tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. Take this as equation number 1. Now let us go with the next one. Okay, now let us go with the next one. LHS, taking LHS. What is LHS? 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. So now let us multiply this inside. Let us multiply this 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B. Okay, we have multiplied inside. Now using 1 we can substitute for this tan A tan B as 1 minus tan A tan B, isn't it? So using 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus 1 minus tan A tan B. So using 1 we have changed this. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is 2, isn't it? So before writing that, we can take the common terms outside from any one of this. Let us take this as tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B, isn't it? Sorry, we have to apply for this. We have to apply for this, isn't it? Tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so we have to apply here 1 minus tan A tan B. plus tan A tan B. Okay, now we can write this as tan A tan B plus 1 into plus இதை எப்படி பிரிச்சுக்கலாம் 1 plus tan A tan B we can cancel this and we will get the answer as we can cancel this. So we can easily cancel this tan A tan B and we will get the answer as 2, that is equal to RHS. So it is very easiest problem, that is we are starting with 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, we are getting 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B. So it is 1 plus, for this we are applying using the equation 1. Tan A plus tan B can be replaced as 1 minus tan A tan B. So this tan A tan B and this tan A tan B will get cancelled. So your answer is 2. So it is very easiest, you can try. Okay. Next let us go with problem number 7. Let us go with problem number 7. Prove that 1 plus tan 44 degree is equal into 1. Prove that 1 plus tan 1 degree into tan plus 2 degree. Tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree, etc. 1 plus tan 44 degree is equal to, is a multiple of 4. Prove that 1 plus tan 1 degree into tan plus 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, etc. 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means 2 into 2 இருந்திருக்கணும் இல்லையா, multiple of 4 இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நம்ம இதை prove பண்ண போறோம். So how to prove this? Let us take each term and find out the answer. 1 plus tan 44 degree first எடுத்தாச்சு. இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்னா 1 plus tan 45 degree minus 1 ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay, so this is 1 plus, using the formula tan A minus B, tan 45 degree minus tan 1 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan 1 degree. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So we can write this as 1 plus 1 minus tan 1 degree divided by 1 plus tan 1 degree. Okay, now taking the LCM, it will multiply here, isn't it? So 1 plus tan 1 degree plus 1 minus tan 1 degree divided by 1 plus tan 1 degree. Minus tan and plus tan will get cancelled. So you are getting the answer as 2 divided by 1 plus tan 1 degree. Okay, so this side we are having 1 plus tan 44 degree. So by cross multiplying this, we will get 1 plus tan 44 degree into 1 plus tan 1 degree is equal to 2 னு கிடைக்கும். சிமிலரா இதே மாதிரி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டே வந்தோம்னா இங்க 43 போட்டா இங்க 2, இங்க 42 போட்டோம்னா இங்க 3, அந்த மாதிரி போட்டுட்டே வர போறோம். So similarly 1 plus tan 43 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree is equal to 2. அதே மாதிரி 1 plus tan 42 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree, அதாவது டோட்டல் பண்ணினா டிகிரி வந்து 45 இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா we will get the answer, and so on, and finally it will be going on like this, and finally we will get 1 plus tan 23 degree இங்க போடுறப்ப இங்க வந்து 1 plus tan 22 degree la vandu mudiyum. So that is the final one. Tan 22 degree, 23 degree, it will become as 45. திருப்பி நீ 24, 21லாம் நீ போகக்கூடாது சரியா. ஸோ இப்படி நீ வந்துட்ட அப்படின்னா we can take all the right hand side. So when we are taking the right hand side, we are getting the answer as, so let us go with the right hand side. 1 plus tan 1 degree இருந்துச்சு into 1 plus tan 2 degree இருக்கும் இங்கே இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ எக்ஸெட்ரா 1 plus tan 44 degree வரைக்கும் நம்ம போவோம். That is equal to 2 into 2 into etc. 2 how many times? 22 times we are taking 2. So 22 times means 2 power 22. So 2 power 22 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power 11. So this is nothing but 4 power 11. Appa it is a multiple of, therefore it is a multiple of 4. Therefore we proved that this is a multiple of 4. Okay. So it is also a very easiest question. You can try applying tan formula. Okay. Again also we are going to apply the same tan formula in 8th problem. Problem number 8. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Okay, here you are going to apply the tan formula again. LHS நம்ம எப்படி எழுத போறோம்னா tan a plus b, இது tan a minus b. அப்ப tan pi by 4 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta minus, இது tan a minus b formula. அப்ப tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. Okay, now what's the value for tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree. So it is equal to 1. Isn't it? Tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So what it will become? 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. This side 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Now taking the LCM, we can cross multiply this. So 1 plus tan theta the whole square minus 1 minus tan theta the whole square. What will be the denominator? A plus b into a minus b means we will get a square minus b square. 1 minus tan square theta. So what will be the numerator now? 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta. Using the formula a plus b the whole square minus 1, இதுவும் plus வரும், உள்ள minus ஆல multiply பண்ணா minus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta வரும். So minus into minus plus 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Now you can cancel the term whichever it is possible. This will get cancelled. So we are getting 2 into 2 tan theta. Varudha? 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta nu varudhu divided by 1 minus tan square theta. It can be written as 4 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So 4 can be splitted as 2 into 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So what's the formula for this 2 into tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta? It is nothing but tan 2 theta. So 2 into tan 2 theta. Hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem number 9. Problem number 9 now. cot 7 1.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6 அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போகிறோம் சரியா. Show that cot 7.5 degree is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6 அப்படின்னு சொல்ல போகிறோம். So let us show that. Okay, let us take LHS. LHS cot can be written as 7 1.5 degree can be written as cos 7 1.5 degree divided by sin 7.5 degree. Okay, cot can be written as sin divided by cos. Okay, now we are going to multiply and divide by the term 2 cos 7.5. அப்பதான் நமக்கு வந்து formula கிடைக்கும் சரியா. So multiply and divided by 2 cos 7.5 degree ஆல நம்ம multiply பண்ண போறோம். So LHS will be equal to 2 வந்துரும், cos into cos cos square ஆ மாறிடும் 7.5 degree divided by 2 sin 7.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree. So what is 2 sin A cos A? 2 sin A cos A is nothing but இது வந்து இப்போ என்ன ஃபார்முலாவில் இருக்குன்னு பாரு. The formula here is this is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, cos 2 theta. So this can be written as இங்க thetaங்கிற இடத்துல நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கு 7.5 degree இருக்கு theta by 2 னா, அப்போ 2 ஆல நீ multiply பண்ணினா it will become as it is here 2 cos square 7.5 degree minus 1 is equal to cos 2 into 7.5. 2 into 7.5 is nothing but 2 cos square 7.5 is equal to cos 15. 7.5 into 2 na எவ்வளவு 7 எவ்வளவு 15 இல்லையா. So the numerator can be written as cos 15 degree plus 1. Similarly, in the denominator also it is in the form of 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So we can write it as sin 2 theta. அப்போ sin 2 theta na என்ன formula? Sin 2 of 7 by 2, that is sin 15 degree. Okay. Now what is cos 15 degree? How to calculate cos 15 degree? Cos 15 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? Cos 15 degree is equal to cos 45 degree minus 30 degree இல்லையா. அப்போ what's the formula? Cos A minus B. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. அப்போ cos A cos B plus sin A sin B இல்லையா. So this is equal to cos A is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So your answer will be root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So the numerator is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Similarly, we need to find out sin 45. So sin 45 கண்டுபிடிச்சோனா sin 15க்கு sin 15 is equal to sin 45 minus 30 இல்லையா. அப்போ sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. So you are getting 1 by root 2, sin cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. So your answer is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, isn't it? So the denominator is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So cancel the denominator. We will get the answer as root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So here we need to rationalize the denominator. So multiply with root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So what will be the numerator now? Okay. Wait. One thing we didn't do here. We forgot with plus 1. There is a plus 1 here, isn't it? So we cannot erase it like this. The values are correct. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 இருக்குல்லையா அதை விட்டுட்டு வந்துட்டோம். இது வந்து root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. அப்போ plus 1 first LCM எடுத்துக்கலாம். Root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So இந்த root 2 இந்த root 2 cancel ஆயிரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து rationalize பண்ணணும். அப்போ root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 denominator la root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So now let us multiply root 3 into root 3 plus root 3 plus 2 root 6 plus root 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b root 3 the whole square minus 1 square. So we are getting now 3 plus 2 it is 5. 3 plus 2 this is 1 plus 1 இல்லையா அதாவது last 3 terms root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Now 3 plus 1 it is 4 plus it is given with 2 root 6 plus root 3 plus root 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 it is 2 root 3 அடுத்தது it is given with 2 root 6 and it is given with 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 1 that is 2. அப்போ இதிலேருந்து நம்ம மேலேருந்து ஒரு 2 வெளில எடுக்கலாம். ஸோ 2 வெளில எடுத்தினா we are getting the answer as 2 plus root 3 plus root 6 plus root 2 divided by 2 வருது. ஸோ இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிரும். So your final answer is இந்த 2 வந்து நம்ம root 4 னு எழுதிக்கலாம். root 4 plus root 3 plus root 6 plus root 2 because we have written 2 is equal to root 4 then only your answer will be that is equal to RHS. Hence we proved. Okay. So before going to the next problem we have to see one example then only it will be easier for you to understand the exercise problem because we are using that example in this exercise problem. Okay. So let us go with example 3.32. Prove that cos A into cos 2A into cos 2 square A into cos 2 cube A etc. cos 2 power n minus 1 A is equal to sin 2 power n A divided by 2 power n sin A. Okay, this is the thing we are going to prove in this. So cos A into cos 2A into cos 2 square A 2 cube A. அப்போ first term வந்து cos 2 power 0 னு கூட நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஏன்னா 2 power 0 னா தான் 1 னு நமக்கு மீனிங் இல்லையா. So up to 2 power n minus 1. So let us start with the LHS first. LHS is equal to cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 square A, cos 2 cube A, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1A. Okay. Now we are going to multiply and divide by 2 sin A. Okay, 2 sin A ஆல multiply பண்ணி divide பண்ண போறோம். அப்ப we are going to get 1 by 2 sin A. இங்க வந்து 2 sin A into cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 square A, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1a. Now listen to this. What is this? This is sin 2a. So இதை என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்னா 1 by 2 sin a into sin 2a cos 2a, and then this is cos 2 square a, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1a அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகேயா? இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? we are going to multiply and divide with again 2. so 2 ஆல் multiply பண்ணி 2 ஆல் divide பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, so what you will get now? இப்போ பாரு 1 by 2 square sin a இது வந்துடும். இங்கே வந்து 2 sin 2a cos 2a. so 2 sin a cos aங்கிற இடத்துல we are having 2a 2a. so 2 into 2a வரும், அதாவது sin of 2 into 2a. this is cos 2 square a, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1a. so cos 2 square a can be taken as 4a. okay, அப்போ 1 by 2 square sin a sin 4a cos 4a into cos 2 cube a, etc. cos 2 power n minus 1a னு வரும். ஸோ அகெயின் நம்ம இங்கே என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? ஒரு 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ when you are multiplying and divide by 2, this term will become as 2 sin a cos a again. so it is again it will become as 2 sin a na 2 into 4a 8 மாறும். அப்போ sin 8a வரும், அங்கே வந்து cos 8a வரும். so similarly it will be going on. so continuing this process, அப்படியே இந்த இது ஒவ்வொன்றா குறைஞ்சிட்டே போயிட்டுருக்கும். we will get the next term. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆகும்? it will become as 1 sin 2 power na னு மாறிடும் இல்லையா? 2 power na divided by 2 power n sin a னு மாறிடும். ஸோ இங்கே ஸ்கொயர் வந்துச்சுன்னா இங்கேயும் நமக்கு ஸ்கொயர் இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா? ஸோ சிமிலர்லி we can go with that. இங்கே க்யூபாக மாறினா அடுத்தது க்யூபாக மாறும். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல பவர் என்னன்னா இங்கேயும் பவர் n. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு RHS. hence prove this example. So using this example we are going to continue with the next problem in the exercise. So problem number 10. Prove that 1 plus secant 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 4 theta etc. 1 plus secant 2 power n theta is equal to tan 2 power n theta into cot theta. So this is to be proved. Okay, now we are going to take LHS. LHS can be written as, how can you write LHS எடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மையாக எடுத்து நம்ம வேல்யூஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிக்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து 1 plus secant 2 theta எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஓகே, சொல்யூஷன் 1 plus secant 2 theta na 1 plus 1 by cos 2 theta இல்லையா? So when you are taking the LCM, it will become as cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 theta. So what is cos 2 theta plus 1? Using the formula of cos square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. நமக்கு formula தெரியும்ல, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So using this formula, this can be taken as 2 cos square theta divided by cos 2 theta can be written as cos 2 theta. Okay. Similarly, next one, 1 plus secant 4 theta கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். 1 plus secant 4 theta is 1 plus 1 by cos 4 theta. That is equal to, how can you write this? Cos 4 theta plus 1 divided by cos 4 theta. So this can be written as 2 cos square 4 theta can be written as 2 square theta, 2 theta, isn't it? 2 cos square 2 theta அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம் இல்லையா? Divided by cos 2 square theta. ஏன்னா இங்கே பவர் 4 வந்து நான் 2 ஸ்கொயராக மாற்றிருக்கேன். இங்கே வந்து நமக்கு 2 theta இருந்துச்சுன்னா theta வந்துச்சு. அப்போ 4 theta வந்துச்சுன்னா it will become with 2 theta. ஓகேயா? theta இருக்கிறப்ப we are getting 2 theta. அப்போ 2 theta இருந்தால் இங்கே 4 theta. Okay. So similarly we can move on like this. And the final term is 1 plus secant 2 power n theta is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos 2 power n theta. So this is equal to, taking the LCM, cos 2 power n theta plus 1 divided by cos 2 power n theta. Okay. So this is equal to, இங்கேயும் அதே தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், 2 cos square 2 power n minus 1 theta divided by cos 2 power n theta னு வந்துருச்சு. ஓகேயா? இப்போ LHS எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண போகிறோம். So LHS is equal to, the first term we got is 2 cos square theta, and the second term we got is 2 cos square 2 theta, and etc. The last term is 2 cos square 2 power n minus 1 theta. The denominator cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta, etc. cos 2 power n theta. Okay. So this we got now. Now 2 into 2 into 2. How many times the 2 is going on? 2 is going on for n times. So it is 2 power n. And then we can take cos theta into, we can use the formula by the side using example. We are seen with example 3.32, isn't it? Previous example. So using the previous example, we can write this as cos theta நம்ம வெளில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா cos a cos 2a cos 2 இதில் ஒரு cos வெளியில் வந்துருச்சு. அப்போ ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிற cos பாரு, cos a cos 2a etc. cos 2 power n minus 1a நம்ம எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கோம், sin 2 power n a divided by 2 power n sin a இல்லையா? The denominator is cos 2 power n theta. 2 வந்து எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் போகுதுன்னா 2 power n theta. So this can be written as, இதையும் நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா sin 2 power n a வந்து tan 2 power n a into, it is not a, we have to write it as theta. In the previous example only it is a. So tan 2 power n a into cos theta by sin theta is tan theta. So we got what is RHS. Hence we proved problem number 10 using the example 3.32. So if you know the example, you can easily try out with this problem. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to do the problem. So first study the example and then go with the exercise. Okay. One more question is that, problem number 11. Prove that 32 root 3 into sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 prove that 32 root 3 into sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. Wait. Sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6 is equal to 3. This is to be proved. Okay. So let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to 32 root 3 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. Okay. So let us take LHS 32 root 3 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48, this is pi, cos pi by 24, cos pi by 12, cos pi by 6. Okay. So taking the LHS, we can write this as, first let us take these two terms. So we can write this as 32 root 3 into, let us multiply and divide by 2. So into 2 divided by 2 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48, and let us write down all the terms, cos pi by 24, cos pi by 12, cos pi by 6. Okay. Now we can cancel this. This is 16 root 3. So let us write down 16 root 3. This is in the formula of 2 sin A cos A. So this 2 sin A cos A formula kondiruchu. Appa what's the answer for this 2 sin A cos A? 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. இல்லையா? sin 2A. அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம sin 2 into pi by 48 னு போட்டுறலாம். அப்புறம் cos pi by 24 இருக்கும். அடுத்தது cos pi by 12 இருக்கும். அடுத்து cos pi by 6 இருக்கும். So இதை நம்ம இப்ப cancel பண்ணோம்னா இது 24 ஆயிரும். Now let us multiply and divide by 2 by 2. சரியா? திருப்பியும் ஒரு 2 by 2 ஆல multiply divide பண்ணு. So again we can cancel this. 2 and 16 will get cancelled. 8 root 3 வந்துரும். திருப்பியும் இது formulaல 2 sin A cos A formulaல வந்துருது. So it is sin 2A. Okay. Cos pi by 12, cos pi by 6 னு வந்திருக்கு. So we can cancel this again. It is becoming as 12. Now again we need to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Cancel this. So you are getting 4 root 3 into sin, இப்போ இது ரெண்டு டேர்மையும் சேர்த்துக்கோ, 2 of pi by 12. So you can cancel this, cos pi by 6. So again I am going to multiply and divide by 2 by 2. So this and this will get cancelled. 2 root 3, 2 root 3. This is sin 2A. இல்லையா? sin 2A. So இதை நம்ம cancel பண்ணிரலாம். So we are getting 2 root 3. What is sin pi by 3? Sin pi by 3 is sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 2 root 3 into root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So your answer is root 3 into root 3. So that is equal to 3. Hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS. So with this we have completed with exercise 3.5. We have to do some example because we are having different types of examples in this. So in the next class we will continue with the examples in exercise 3.5. Okay. Thank you students.